Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Annie Portia, working as Assistant Professor in Arunachala College of Engineering for Women. In this presentation, we are going to see some of the 2 marks of Unit 1 from the subject EC 8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C. What are the different data types available in C? There are 4 basic data types available in C. They are integer data type, floating point data type, character data type and double data type. What is ternary or conditional operators? Ternary or conditional operators operates on 3 operands. Syntax: variable equal to expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. If the condition or expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be executed and the result will be returned. Otherwise, if the condition or expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be executed and the result will be returned. Define keywords. Keywords are the predefined or built-in words or the reserved words used in C programming, and they convey some special meaning to the C compiler. There are totally 32 keywords available in C language. The keywords cannot be used as identifier. Some of the keywords are int, char, if, const. Constants. Constants refer to fixed values that the program may not change or alter during its execution. These fixed values are also called as literals. The constants can be of any basic data types like an integer constant, floating point constant, character constant or a string literal. Syntax: const data type variable equal to value. Example: const int length equal to 10. Where const is the keyword, int is the data type, length is the variable and 10 is the constant value that is assigned to the variable length. Define variables. Variables are entities that may vary during the execution of the program. The variables can be of any basic data types. It is a combination of letter, digits and underscore. Syntax: data type variable equal to value. Example: int num equal to 10, where int is the data type, num is the variable and 10 is the value assigned to the variable num. What is an expression in C language? Expression is defined as the combination of operand and operator to perform mathematical or logical operations. The operands represents variables or values and the operator tells what operation is to be performed. There are 2 types of expression available. They are simple expression, in which few operators are involved, compound expression, in which more number of operators are used. What is a global variable? The global variable is common to all the functions in a particular program and that is declared outside of all the functions. So it is stored in memory and the default value is 0. The scope of the variable is available in all the functions. What are register variables? If a variable is declared within register storage class, that is, if a variable is declared with the keyword register, then it is known as register variable. The register variable are stored in CPU register instead of main memory. The frequently used variables are declared as register variables and the access time is faster for register variables. What is recursion? A function which calls itself directly or indirectly or referred as recursive function, and that process is known as recursion. And it must halt at a definite point to avoid infinite recursion. Here a function A calls itself directly, so it is known as recursive function. What is looping in C? Looping is a process in which a list of statements executes repeatedly and it repeats until a condition remains true. And these statements are known as iterative statements. There are 3 types of looping available. They are for loop, while loop and do while loop. What is the difference between do while loop and while loop in C? While loop, it is known as entry checking loop. It checks the condition and if the condition is true, the body of the loop gets executed and it doesn't execute if the condition is false. Syntax: while, condition, body of the loop. Do while loop, it is called as exit checking loop. It executes the body of the loop at least once before checking the condition. Then it checks the condition. If the condition is true, the body of the loop get executed again. Syntax: do body of the loop while condition followed by a semicolon. What is modular programming? If a program is very large, it is subdivided into number of smaller programs and they are known as modules or subprograms. So if a complex problem has to be solved, it is divided into more number of modules, and that approach is known as modular programming. What is an operator and an operand? An operator is a symbol that specifies an operation to be performed on operands. So, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division are called operators, arithmetic operators. The data items that operators act upon are called operands. Example: A plus B. Here, A and B are called the operands, and plus is the arithmetic operator involved. Define sorting. A sorting algorithm is used to rearrange or arrange a given array or list of items in a particular order, that is either in ascending or descending order. The various sorting are bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, heap sort, and insertion sort. What is an array? An array in C is a collection of similar data items stored at contiguous memory locations, and the elements of the array can be accessed randomly using the indices of an array. The data type must be the same for all elements in an array. Syntax: data type, array name of size. Example: character, str of size, where char is the data type, str is the array name, of size 10. What is the difference between conditional and unconditional branching in C? Unconditional branching: when the program jumps from one part of the program to another part of the program and executes it without checking any condition, then it is referred as unconditional branching or jump statements. The unconditional control statements are break, continue, return, go to. Conditional branching: when the transfer of control or the program moves from one part of the program to another part of the program and executes it by checking some condition, then it is referred as conditional branching statements. The conditional control statements are simple if statement, if-else statement, nested if-else statement, and switch statement. What is a string? Strings are defined as an array or a sequence of characters. The string is terminated by a special or null character. Declaring a string is simple as declaring a one-dimensional array. The syntax for declaring a string is character, str name of size, where char is the data type, str name is the string name, size is the size of a string. List the matrix operation in C. The various matrix operations are matrix addition, matrix subtraction, matrix multiplication, transpose of a matrix, determinant of a matrix, inverse of a matrix. Define searching. Searching is a process in which a particular element is searched in a given set of elements. It searches the entire collection of items until a match is found. So there are two types of searching available. They are linear search and binary search. Linear search is otherwise referred as sequential search. This linear search performs searching either in sorted list or an unsorted list. Binary search performs searching only in sorted list. What is the use of break statement? The break statement terminates the execution of the loop. The break statement is mostly used in switch statement and it breaks the switch statement. Syntax: break with a semicolon. Thank you.